In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Airtable. Importing data into Airtable is a seamless process that allows you to integrate and organize your existing information with ease. Whether you're transitioning from another system or simply consolidating data, Airtable offers a user-friendly interface designed to simplify the task. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to locate the import option on the left side of your Airtable dashboard. If you're new to Airtable, this left-hand panel is where you'll find many essential functions, including the ability to manage your data imports. Clicking on Import will initiate the process, and from there, you need to choose where exactly you want this data to live. Now it's time to select a workspace. Workspaces in Airtable are essentially your command centers, with each one housing different sets of data or projects. Choosing the right workspace is crucial because it ensures your imported data is organized and where it needs to be. This is especially important if you're working on multiple projects or managing various teams, as each workspace can serve as a dedicated hub for different data streams. Once you've selected your desired workspace, the next step is to click Continue. This action will set in motion the import process, transitioning you to what are often referred to as the on-screen prompts. These prompts are designed to guide you intuitively through the remaining steps. It's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with any specific instructions or information these prompts provide, as they often contain important details about the format and structure of your data. As you follow these on-screen prompts, you'll likely be asked to define the parameters for your import, such as selecting the type of file you're importing or any specific columns you wish to include. Airtable supports a variety of file types, including CSV and Excel, making it a versatile platform for a range of data needs. During this part of the process, it's important to double-check your data to ensure compatibility and accuracy, as this will help avoid any glitches or data misalignments. Before concluding the import, take a final look at the preview offered. This final check allows you to see how your data will appear once imported, giving you an opportunity to spot any last-minute adjustments that may be necessary for a smooth integration. If everything looks correct, completing the import is just a matter of following the final on-screen instructions and confirming the details you've provided. Congratulations, you've now successfully imported your data into Airtable. With this new information at your fingertips, you can begin leveraging Airtable's robust organizational tools to sort, filter, and arrange your data in whatever way best suits your needs. Whether you're managing a personal project or collaborating with a team, Airtable makes handling data intuitive and efficient. Feel free to explore your new dataset and consider experimenting with the various views and configurations available to optimize your workflow. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing!